So the dough has reached its climax.
Oh, it's so nice.
Now then, Douglas Master reporting for the Zero Waste Cooking School. Today we are cooking with...
Egla!
So, welcome to the Zero Waste Cooking School, Egla. What are we cooking today?
We're cooking some handmade cavatelli.
And why do you love this cavatelli?
Because it's so casual.
Yeah, casual pasta.
Casual pasta, no strings attached, making your life simple.
Perfect. Sounds delightful.
Let's do this. So first things first, we make some pangrattato from your stale bread. We just slice and chop it up a bit. Put it in a food processor. Lay it out on a pan. Drizzle some olive oil. And at 160 degrees, just keep it in your oven until it's golden and crispy. Once it's done, you just keep it aside for a bit. Get into some dough making.
Let's make some dough.
Yep, I've got some Riminciata and grano duro, which is 2 different mils of durum wheat. To get it all on our board. We grate a little as well here with our dough scraper. I've measured out some water here, which is rather warm, and I start adding it bit by bit. So right now I have quite a bit of water left, but I already start using my dough scraper.
It's very zero waste there, Egla. Nothing is wasted on this board. No?
Yeah, you'll see how clean it is. So you turn, you fold, you stretch. Turn, fold, stretch.
I like that. That is beautiful.
We only need this dough ball, and you can pinch a bit of it and do like this, and you have a cavatelli.
Amazing. So easy.
Yeah, so easy. So, what I want to do is do the same thing, just like roll it gently over the rigid ball.
This is going to give the sauce even more grip.
Yeah, I just like it gets a slightly different bite to it, and I like how it looks.
Yeah, it looks great.
It's all about the looks, really. So we'll leave it to rest for a bit.
How long?
There really isn't a time. The longer you rest it, the firmer it gets. Therefore, it extends the.
So broccoli and garlic.
Broccoli, garlic. Yes.
Strong flavors.
Strong flavors. We're gonna get some preparation done.
So I'm gonna prep this broccoli.
Yeah.
Stems or tips?
We're gonna do zero waste. We're gonna use it all.
Beautiful.
But the thing is, like, if you do it at home, just like make sure that if you've got I usually got quite thin slices, so it's fine if I put them together with the florets. But otherwise, if you like cut slightly chunkier pieces, you'd want to boil them first for a couple of minutes before you add the florets.
So basically we want something that's going to cook in the same time.
Yes. And I'm gonna prepare garlic. I'm gonna just add some olive oil, garlic, a couple of anchovies. I just break them down slightly, and all I do is just melt it down on a medium heat. So now when the anchovy is all melted down, I'll add some chili flakes. Quite a bit of them. I like it heated. We are actually going very zero waste here. And we're going to use the same water that we boil the broccoli in for boiling our pasta too. It actually gives more taste to the pasta.
Yeah.
And it makes sense. But the whole trick is that I encourage everyone to just taste your pasta, because the only true indicator whether your pasta is ready or not is the taste, and it should not taste any flour. The flour should be cooked out. It's green, it's healthy.
Yeah, healthy, right?
Yeah,
Pasta,
you can have
healthy.
it 5 times a day. Everything
We've got some of the pangrattato that we made earlier.
Let's go for it.
Let's do it.
Now you have to chase it, you know, a bit.
Oh wow. Whoa, punchy. Oh. Well, that is spicy, creamy, rich textures.
And can you feel the like sweetness that the broccoli gives to it?
It really does. I'm gonna break out my gong.